In this demonstration, what I want to show you is how to create the relationships between the tables that exist in this database. To create relationships, I need to go into the menu and choose Tools and select the option Relationships. Now I don't see the tables appear up on the screen here, so I'll click on this icon here, the one with the yellow cross on the button face, the Show Table button in fact. I click on that. Now I want to choose the tables that I'm going to use in this database, so by holding down the Shift key and clicking at the staff table down the bottom, I select everything from this list. I then click on Add and then Close, and Access shows me all the tables that exist in this database. Now my example here demonstrates or shows the concept of relationships. You'll see how there are chords or lines connecting all of the tables together, or at least part of them. Not all the tables are connected, as you can see. Only part of the tables, or some of the tables, are connected to the other tables. I want to be able to complete this operation, so I'm going to expand all of the tables so I can see all of the field names in the database, and do the following. I'm going to go over first to the position table, and I can see that they both share common field names. I'm going to click and drag to the staff table employee number, and when I do that, Access comes up with this dialog box. It tells me there is a relationship or a connection with the information between the two tables, the position and the staff table. If I click on Enforce Referential Integrity, that will ensure that when I set up my information in the database, that the information must first exist in the staff table, that is, the employee number must first exist in the staff table before it can be entered into the position table. If I click Create, a connection is created, and in this case the connection here tells me that there is a one-to-one relationship between the information in the staff table and the information in the position table. If I do that with all of the tables by clicking and dragging from employee to employee in the various tables and choosing Enforce Referential Integrity, I'm creating the relationships between the table structures. You need to make sure that you have these connections created when you use Access, otherwise you'll find, or you may find, that Access will not work properly for you or enables errors to be created in your database. What you're trying to do in this process is to prevent mistakes being mistakenly made when you set up your database. I've created the relationships in this instance. I'm happy with that. I'll save the relationship structure, close the window, end of demonstration.